Golden Imperial Turnip Cake, Lo Bak Go. A delicious Chinese, Cantonese, appetizer dim sum recipe. This recipe serves 8 to 10 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 1 hour 15 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds Deccan radish, 1.5 cups water, 1 teaspoon rock sugar, 2 links Chinese sausage, 2 ounces Chinese cured bacon, 3 tablespoons dried shrimp, 4 pieces dried shiitake mushrooms, 2 pieces shallots, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 10 ounces rice flour. Step 1. Begin by prepping your dry goods. Soak the dried shrimp and shiitake mushrooms in warm water for at least 20 minutes until softened. Drain and mince them finely, reserving the soaking liquid for the batter if desired. Step 2. Peel the Deccan radish and grate it using the coarse side of a box grater. You want distinct strands, not a mushy paste. Step 3. Place the grated radish in a large wok or pot with 1 cup of water and the rock sugar. Cover and simmer over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes until the radish is translucent and tender. Do not drain the liquid. Step 4. In a separate skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Sauté the shallots, diced Chinese sausage, cured bacon, shrimp, and mushrooms for 5 minutes until fragrant and the fat has rendered from the meats. Step 5. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the rice flour, wheat starch, salt, white pepper, and chicken powder. Gradually whisk in 1.5 cups of water or mushroom soaking liquid until a smooth, thick slurry forms. Step 6. Pour the sautéed meat and mushroom mixture, including the oil, into the pot with the cooked radish. Stir well to combine. Step 7. Turn the heat to low. Slowly pour the flour slurry into the radish mixture, stirring constantly. The mixture will thicken rapidly into a heavy, pasty dough. Remove from heat once there is no pooling liquid. Step 8. Grease an 8-inch square or round cake pan generously with oil. Transfer the radish paste into the pan, smoothing the top with a wet spatula to prevent sticking. Step 9. Prepare a steamer with plenty of water. Place the pan in the steamer, cover, and steam on high heat for 50 to 60 minutes. Check water levels halfway through. Step 10. Remove the pan from the steamer. The cake will look soft but will firm up as it cools. Allow it to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight, to fully set. Step 11. Once chilled and firm, run a knife around the edges and invert the cake onto a cutting board. Slice into a half-inch thick rectangular slabs. Step 12. Heat a non-stick skillet with a thin layer of oil over medium-high heat. Fry the slices for 3 to 4 minutes per side until a deep golden brown crust forms and the interior is hot. Step 13. Garnish with fresh scallions and toasted sesame seeds. Serve immediately while the exterior is crisp. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.